your question is prove by mathematical induction for all n belongs to your natural number. What they have given? They have given 10 to the power of 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. Okay, now so can we write it as like this? 10 to the power of 2n minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to, we can say, is divisible by 11. That means 11d. That means this is the multiple of 11, or you can write it as 11m. Anything you can write. We can write like this now. Now we will take this as Pn. Second step is that we have to prove that Pn is true. For that, what we have to do? We have to take n is equal to 1. Now substitute this n value 1 here. In LHS, what you will get? 10, 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 plus 1. That is equal to, solve this, 10 to the power of 2 minus 1 is 10 only. 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11. So yes, 11 is divisible by 11. It's true. That means this is true now. Now we will take n is equal to k. If you take n is equal to k, what will happen? So here 10 to the power of 2k minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to, we can say, 11m. So what is your 10 to the power of k minus 1 in this? That is equal to, we can say now, 10 to the power of 2k minus 1 is equal to, we can say, 11m minus 1. So this is your star mark here. Okay. Now, if Pn is true, that means Pk is also true. Now we will go for k plus 1. Pk plus 1. Pk plus 1. So what will happen now? Instead of k, you have to put k plus 1. So therefore, what you will get here? See that 10, 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. It will be this. Now solve this. What you will get? You will get 10, 2k plus 2 minus 1 plus 1. If you solve this, what you will get? Or if you are not solving that, what you will get? If you solve this, you will get what? Solve. If you solve this, you will get what? 10 to the power of 2k plus 1 plus 1. This you will get it. But if you are not solving it, what you will get? That means we can say, yes, here. If you are not solving this, what you will get? You will get, see this, 2 is there. That means if we are writing any plus 2, that means in the multiple of that. So here you will get what? 10 square into this value, that is your 10 to the power of 2k minus 1. If you are not solving, you will get this value. Then remaining is what? Plus 1 plus 1. Now solve this. What you will get? See this, 10 square. 10 square into Now we know that 10 to the power of 2k minus 1 is what? 11m minus 1. So here we will substitute this value. 11m minus 1, and here comes plus 1. That is equal to, we can say, is, now multiply by this, what you will get? You will get 11m into 10 square, and here minus 10 square plus 1. That is equal to, we can say, what? This is the multiple of 11. We can say that now. So simply we can say 11m into 100 minus, now 10 square is 100. 100, that is minus 100 plus 1. So minus 100 plus 1 is minus 99. So therefore you will get what? 100 into 11m minus 99. If you take 11 as common, 11 as common, what you will get? 100m minus 9. Therefore, we can say this number is divisible by 11. Yes, it's a multiple of 11. Therefore, we can say that k plus 1 is also true. So here it will come as Pm is true for all and belongs to natural number. Okay, so here don't solve this. Go for separate. Then only you will get this value.